Asante Kotoko na me first house story we no enfantum emaun kobra uso san
yeah chief
Kotoko pe goalkeeper Kotoko pe goalkeeper
Asante Kotoko pe goalkeeper
isi aro Benjamin Twum enkwa na aka no one Aziz Haruna
Dari
na sisie no Kotoko pe for any believe Aziz mu say obey first keeper second omuni believe Benjamin Twum so obey first keeper et omu pe goalkeeper na ma wo say foreign goalkeeper bi ana mo ne kasa kobi bo ni ye good puta mi ya videos ka crash e kobra bo ni tagu ankasa o ye foreigner ti say Kamara na ne height so wo de ti say Mohamed Kamara eti komono de eduro ni mu ye pa komono do ni mu ye goalkeeper the form na de and club no si akan no last season na say ye bo season twem no o le best keeper o sa league nim o le best keeper o sa league nim Stanley Menzo any goalkeeper din komo e do ni mu a bi bias sa bo na pem o Ghana komo so so Stanley Menzo bodu kuma say Saturday aye chira but one or two issues binti next week all do kuma say next week all do kuma say na all kono medical so we recruitment team dawo recruitment team no e release some players 4.1 amount team plus what Asante Kotoko no me no Stanley Menzo wakati team ni so munya botre no boduru a obo do beye this our boys na omu team no mu to so biem no sa indiscipline boys no
okay
omu team to so biem no no hu do beye sa list no ko brother mani list no ko ta unity omu no mu to so biem de mani
okay
but tell me so post page foto munya botre
omu twentwen
so no bedu kumase
Stanley Menzo
bedu kumase then waba na oba be hwe se de ensem ne de esitie
okay
ma we fi mi ko to post ma bro ma we fi
yeah
enumye e wo
ko fi tompu
enumye
okay
komo me na ko adwana pa ba manu sa
okay ayen ko asofo
manu sa
okay Sammy yankoi
komo so san
yeah chief
ma ku boat masrew mami coach Samuel Boadu picture
coach Samuel Boadu Kofi
so am dey be misrew ti
Aduana football club head coach
what's day
Aduana football club head coach
patch up for full stop si wo
am venzueze
si wo story am dey be complete senior
ade obi Ghana
ma kanyo oji obi Ghana de oji na hanyo na ame
haye monyo
oji obi Ghana de e say mutu magu the things hanyo no to kwa
kochi
magu sa hanyo no to da jo gen so ane ya I say someone tell ya jiko bro so sage na bro get ajiko na so be mi fe ofia 3 times we put on church 3 times na see you the woman na say ya
okay
and was black
and that's all radio again
I 3 times
you go
Mr. Kobe so san
Samuel Sterling aka One Blue
what is story between him say how to folk any coach Abuka Watara every as a sporting director
sure
Obuka say Mr. Abuka Watara coach so be use o akra to omo 3 se coach of what do you
yeah could be din Amadu
of Kawana United
Didi Mengo
Okansi Mengo Kasim
yeah
Ubonsu di
my latest one Bashir Hayford
latest one coach Bashiru Hayford what is our story in the buy
yeah
come let me
Mitiopa
coach Obuka Watara the first target coach of Porcupine Warriors is here the first target coach I need his way is a thing come on here
se odinka de gunkrata
sure
e ma aso folk board
sure
and was an his royal highness question office and then the dimun sembai
sure
na enu achi nkomo bia sa akoso
biem
dia na akoso
o ti sa coach no ja ti yo sa coach no pe
ade coach be nko a
coach Samuel Boadu
timeti de okay asiya Mr. Atala Bubaka the coach of person ne kwaso folk coach Samuel Boadu it won tin hu jare anywhere
there was a call between Watara and Boadu anywhere
what's he saying na ya wada fiada
there was a call between coach Obaka Watara and Samuel Boadu
tienda Mr. Obaka Watara efe coach Samuel Boadu
ofren mu didin komo anwa about akaso folk
o de atu nedim
about akaso folk
na coach Boadu ya no say
was it yes
e kwan down kwa de weba
akobola woni me
president Asante
we se woni me twan trotro bia
we so ko bia na
se woni bo ma me kire nyeme ne
Assembly no.
Me say there was a call between coach Obaka Watara and Samuel Boadu
enna
obi tin komo sere tin komo sere
okay
komo akoso so mi ya no akra
so Mr. Obaka Watara the okay asiya wono ne his royal highness na so folk board no e di nkomo mu odne say
komo mu odne
asa list of coaches so dia kon ba board mu open to mo fa mo en wasa Africa Boadu so
omo di
en ko Boadu so di nkomo
tie en komo no first one course watch a course watch
okay
and second one we no e mra board no appoint Watara etele we story no odi board any kind of
sure
no they didn't Amadu second no they can send Mingo tie first alternative be Boadu se Boadu any ya no ko for rudin
ti for now the Boadu na Mr. Atara
that was yes adi bien ti Boadu
okay
kablan coach Samuel Boadu any adjona no ko shima kisi wo ten mfesi wo ten ya tozo bi mo ko shima kisi wo kesi pa mfesi wo ten Monday is how story be
okay
between adjona and Boadu so on sign Monday is how story be why Monday it be mo
na se bia na for Unveiling Boadu
mu de maka cha so ko shima kisi wo
so Unveiling akoso ana Boadu wa so ma Unveiling
coach no
TV for far
Unveiling no still na
bu be me say
am Unveiling
you obi me ana chitin for far it for question mark you
okay
maka cha bu be Monday but the story every
okay
on Monday
okay but it has also folk you didn't say be if you but number no problem project ni so no your latest update ever on the chiwon White House one unzana na has folk players ni ete
na hono motie
na say no permit check the information ekuta and pay say
okay
players in a few White House
okay
omo izumia
okay
ba betra problem inside
wonderful
and then CC
wonderful
hona players ni ba betra CC
the last time I visit Porcupine or my head see clubhouse palma players no inside dan shi
hono number betra sabe my dan no
White House wo aba Porcupine inside wa be occupy Porcupine clubhouse no wow oh wonderful is there any sense pa na eba
ensesa pa na eba
okay
in the say the honor players ni be movie yako
okay
honor players ni be movie yako
okay
to move free White House
wo
akwa edana opman inside
okay
White
House ni Porcupine na chipe
na chi
ti see omo be Porcupine inside
omuko inside
wow
see the omuko
I
inside
love that
na president from next season
Chrono.
Players no kotena inside there be answer.
Okay.
And before be chance feed the players no.
Obedi
3 times a day.
Wow.
Breakfast beko. Na lunch ko na fi sapa na so.
Ben emunano no.
Yes. Ombe feed has of folk players no 3 times a day.
Wow.
It you go problem inside wa.
Sure.
O my canteen now. Oh inside oh.
Oh, lovely. I say I just say professional pa.
O my canteen na inside.
Yeah.
Is there so folk ebe chase FD players no.
I want say me pego ba on bit my am.
Sure.
Oba
Obi bia. O say players no white house no.
Yeah.
Permits no o ma bills o ma na tweet.
O ma na tweet base no.
But so o move aba eye problem inside no. Ni na club ni bi tua mom sisi.
Wonderful.
From next season e come.
Wonderful.